We stayed approximately 1 week in New Orleans by the Canal and Bourbon Street area, which is the party area. Now, we had a lot of fun going around the city, taking up all the touristy things to do and the different attractions. We went to such places as Jackson Square, where it was very, very scenic. We took in the many different sights and ate the different foods that New Orleans had to offer. Now, the one thing that we definitely wanted to try out was some of more of the local foods that made New Orleans very popular. For example, trying alligator, crawfish, gumbo was definitely on our list. So what we did was we used our Go City Pass and we had to go to this place called MRB's. Now, it's a little cute little joint, and already, since it was already paid for by our Go City Pass, all we had to do is choose the different things that we wanted on the menu that was already set for us. Here we tried out a creamy macaroni with cheese and crawfish, as well as an alligator burger. So there was a lot of different spices and different types of cheeses in this macaroni. It was very creamy, it was very delicious, very well worth it, I would have to say. The alligator burger was topped off with a bit of coleslaw, and as they say, alligator tastes a lot like chicken, although I found that the texture was a little gamier and a little bit more chewy. We also had gumbo. Now, this gumbo was topped off with a bit of potato salad, which I guess made the gumbo a little more creamy. So it added a bit of a sweetness to it, and it was very, very delightful to eat. I'm sure we definitely fully enjoyed that. We also tried a traditional burger, and I think it had some fried pork rinds on the top of it as well, so it added a bit of texture, and it was really, really good. We had unlimited $2 pop, so that definitely complemented the meal. We also tried a catfish po' boy with a side of fries. Now, we don't eat catfish often, but this was very, very delicious. Had different sauces on the side. After having that delicious meal, we definitely had to walk it off. So we made our way down to the waterside, passed by the Market Cafe, Cafe du Monde, which at that time of day was closed already, but it was very well known for its beignets. Down by the waterside, it was very, very peaceful, very tranquil. You could see a lot of people sitting by the waterside, enjoying the sights, different scenery, having a look at that bridge there, which we had to cross over in order to get to our swamp tour. It was very, very enjoyable and a nice place to rest after dinner. There you could see the trolleys, people boarding them, having a nice, enjoyable ride for the evening. We continued our walk after dinner towards Bourbon Street, and we wanted to see what the whole reputation of Bourbon Street as a party street was all about. So I can definitely attest to the fact that it was a lot of fun walking down there, seeing the sights, meeting the people.